up, 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 up. Yeah, Billy. Whoa! About picked the bike up right there. You can still park down here for free. So let's go jump on the monorail and show you guys. All right, so we got our tickets. Let's go ahead, round trip. If you're not a local, this is where you'll buy your tickets. And you just come up here. So single ride is gonna be $5.
Monorails are currently arriving every 8 minutes.
Holy crap, it's gold. Here we are at the Flamingo, guys. We're gonna check out the flamingos right now. Check out some of these koi fish too. Turtle. So apparently the day that I decided to show you guys the monorail, because of the dust storm, they've shut it down. And now, basically, I gotta take a cab back to the Westgate. Look who came to save me, guys.
Traffic sucks so bad.
Yeah, there's power lines down.
Yeah. It took me, what, probably 15 minutes to get to the strip. But to get Craig, probably an hour.
I should have just taken an Uber.